This is U-Arm Swift, a small yet powerful robotic arm with built-in Bluetooth. And this is U-Arm Swift Pro, a premium and powerful robot arm equipped with stepper motors and encoders. U-Arm Swift Pro is designed for delicate ideas that need high accuracy to make it happen. Now it is precise enough to do laser engraving of complex images, to work on your artistic inspirations, or to play games intelligently. Both U-Arm Swift and U-Arm Swift Pro are completely open-sourced and easy to extend. For example, make a fan that follows your face in summer. With the improved end effector, they are super easy to attach different kinds of sensors, actuators. Benefit from the integrated Grove port. U-Arm Swift series supports seed Grove kits and OpenMV camera modules to make creation projects easier than ever. U-Arm Studio is a simple all-in-one software for everyone to control and program their U-Arm. It integrates a graphical programming interface based on Blockly, gesture control based on leap motion, and more. It's the best software tool for beginners to explore the power of robotic arms. U-Arm Swift series is still up to work without being tethered to a computer. Press the button to teach it. Press again and it will repeat the task once or forever. Then take a rest. The U-Arm Play mobile app makes remote control as simple as possible. It connects to U-Arm automatically. Simply enjoy playing and have fun. What's more, experienced programmers can explore more powerful vision features in UCS, U-Arm Creator Studio. Applying computer vision and logic to your robotic project has never been this easy. Different from U-Arm Metal, the previous version of U-Arm, U-Arm Swift series has been completely redesigned to meet the demand of robot enthusiasts. It has 4 degrees of freedom and enhanced moving range. The all-new unibody design makes all components well protected and no wirings required. What's more, buttons on the base control built-in functions and can be programmed to do whatever you like. Standardized plug-in makes it possible to switch between different end effectors within 30 seconds. Compared with U-Arm Swift, U-Arm Swift Pro is powered by high-quality gearbox with stepper motors. Combined with the 12-bit encoder, it moves smoothly and precisely. No matter how much you know about robotics and programming, you can always find something new to learn and play with U-Arm Swift or U-Arm Swift Pro, the best entry-level open-source robot.
This is Control, the robot. It has the same DNA as sophisticated $100,000 industrial robot arms, elegantly reduced down to desktop size, and made as affordable as a coffee machine. Now, anyone can own their own robot. Just plug in a laptop and take control. With a full range of articulation through 6 axes, Control's uses are as unlimited as your imagination, from teaching your children to code through play, to clever applications for small business, to science and education uses. Control the Robot provides endless opportunities. It works right out of the box, and the completely open source interface means you can control it with your favourite programming language, or simple conversational text commands, or use physical manipulation to teach it repeatable tasks. You can also connect multiple arms to work together. End-of-arm tools are easy to change and will be available for endless uses, including grips, laser engravers, suction pads, spray nozzles, 3D printing and more. With a camera, Control can also find and recognise. All users will be able to write their own applications and share the code globally, creating a database of Control the Robot programs. From creating a miniature factory for your business to raising the next generation of genius inventors, Control the Robot means anyone can now control a robot.
Maximo, the robot arm. Maximo comes with a free Robotic Studio license that allows you to control the arm and execute precise automations.
Accessible, fun and affordable, Maximo is great for beginners and experts.
We provide a simple step-by-step guide to help you build Maximo. Easy to put together, accessible and affordable. Maximo is a great way to discover robotics. The modular heads can be switched within seconds.
My goal was to create a robot available to everyone.
Help us make Maximo a reality and discover robotics with us. Maximo, the robot arm by InnoTechnics.